Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Marz, this is Marz Modz, and today we're going to do issue 27 of Build the Terminator. Now, not a lot to do in this issue, just a couple of bits to do, so I'll try and string it out as long as I can do, but yeah, it's one of them where it's just simply gluing a few pieces together. So, but with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so let's get started. Now, again, we've been given this bit in this issue 27, but actually we don't actually need it in this issue, so we'll just put that one to one side like always, and then use it when we need it. But what we do need to bring across is this part here that we had in issue 26, and then we need to have these two ratchet black parts like we did in issue the previous issue, which was 26. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to bob these onto here. Now, I've got my glue. I don't need a cocktail stick because I'm just going to brush the glue on like so. So just making sure there's enough glue on there just to hold this in place. And we'll do the first one. Okay, that's in place. Just holding it there for a few seconds while the super glue takes. So that's on. And then obviously we need to do the other side. So just get a bit of super glue. I'm not using Huggins of super glue. Just like so. And then we'll bob this part on. We'll just hold it there for a few seconds, like so, and that's that part done. So we need to put that to one side because we're not actually going to need it again. What we do need to bring across is this part here and this part here. I'll show you on a close-up camera. So we have this part here. Oh, bring it into focus, there we go. Okay, and then we have this part here, which is quite small. And what we need to do is we need to basically glue it in like so. Now I'm just too minded about the top of this because I use my sprue cutters to cut it off, but there's still a little bit of plastic on it. Right, so that's now off. Love the sprue cutters. Okay, and we're basically going to be gluing it onto here like so. Now, like before, I'm not going to use a cocktail stick because I think I can just about get to the points in here where it's going to be sitting. So I'm just going to brush a dab of glue on it. And then we'll just bob this into place like so. And as you can see, that cap there has now gone onto the model. And like I said, just need a couple of minutes, or sorry, a couple of seconds just for it to dry. So the next part is we need to bring this part over, which is looking rather nice, because basically this is going to be fitting onto this. Now I did try this earlier and it fitted perfectly fine, like so. What we do need to do though, we need to glue it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush some glue again onto this bit. Other side. Just so we make a good connection. So that's now glued into place, and then making sure that it is the right way around, we're just going to slot this, like I said, it will just go on easy once it's on there. Yeah, and then we need to bob that in place like so. And then that is actually it for issue 27. So we've done this part here, and then obviously we've got this part that we don't actually need. So yeah, that was interesting, nice and quick compared to the last issue. In the next issue, we are going to be continuing assembly of the left and right shoulder, and as you see, they're the parts that are coming out in the next issue. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Well, that's it for this issue. I'm probably going to do another issue this afternoon because I'm recording this in the morning today, which is very unlike me, but because my eldest is he's finished from college now, he doesn't have to use his computer, so I am sort of able to do some morning videos so I can get more content on the channel. You can still get this model if you want to from Agora Models. They send it in monthly packs, so I think about 10 issues. But the link for that is down below in the description, and also there are links down below in the description of my wish list and also the social media pages that go for the channel. And that's just basic where I just post things that are going on, or just if I've got any deliveries and things like that. It's just a bit more interaction for you guys and me. But if you like this, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But bye for now, guys. Bye. Bye.